Hi, I'm Star. I'm a current Nightingale College nursing student. I'm going for my bachelor's, and I have made a bunch of videos of all the skills videos I've done, and I've made scripts, which you can find on my website, brokensterility-stickers.com. I made that website last semester to keep my sanity because nursing school made me cry a lot. So that is my coping, is trying to find humor. So I started making stickers. And then that went on to I want to help everyone else because this is really tough. So check out my website for some tips. My graduation date is December 2025. So we'll see how far I go, but anything I can do to help, I'm here for you. This is the vital signs skills video. Just remember, it took me a million times to do this because I'm a perfectionist. So if you do it a million times, don't feel bad. It's okay. Also, always verbalize things. Just, you'll see that in all the videos. Always verbalize. So, as cringy as it was for me to rewatch this to get the courage to upload it, here it is.
Knock, knock, knock. Hello, Mr. Ertel.
Hello.
I'm just going to close this door for us. My name is Bessie. I'll be your nurse today.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. May I see your wristband to verify your name and date of birth? Can you tell me your name and date of birth, please?
Andrew Ertel, January 21st, 1987.
Excellent. Thank you, Mr. Ertel. I'm going to be doing your vitals, okay?
Yeah.
I'll start with your heart rate by checking your radial pulse. May I see your wrist?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to locate your pulse. There it is. Mr. Ertel, your rate and rhythm of your pulse feels regular.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm going to start counting now. Okay, Mr. Ertel, I counted your pulse rate for 30 seconds and I got 42. 42 times 2 is 84 for a full minute. The normal range for a heart rate is between 60 to 100, and you're in a normal range for your age group for your pulse rate.
Thank you.
If you don't mind, can I check your pulse again?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll start counting now. Okay, Mr. Ertel, I was actually checking your respiration rate and I counted 7 respiration for 30 seconds. That means you have 14 respirations within a full minute. The normal respiration rate is between 12 and 20.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I could have you sit up for me, I'm just going to check your chest wall excursion. Placing my hand on your back, just breathe normal. Okay, Mr. Ertel, your respiration depth is normal. Next, I'm going to check your blood pressure, okay?
Yep.
May I see your arm? Just extend it out for me. I'm going to look for your brachial artery. There it is. You have a nice strong brachial artery, Mr. Ertel. If I could have you lift up your shirt for me. Get this nice and comfortable. Go. I'm just going to hand you this if you don't mind folding it up for me. I have to face the camera. Thank you. By, by any chance, do you know your normal blood pressure rate?
Yeah, it's 120/80.
120/80? Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to inflate the blood pressure cuff 30 millimeters above your normal systolic rate. That's the 120 number. So I'm going to push it up to 150, okay? It's going to be a little snug. Okay, Mr. Ertel, your blood pressure was 118/78. Thank you so much. I'm going to go and tell the provider your vitals now. You have a good day.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.